Hey, what's up, stock compounders? Brad here. So I'm on LinkedIn and I follow some great investors on LinkedIn. And recently I saw a post there from Gary Michuras, and I'll link to his profile in the description. I saw a post from him that really resonated with me, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And it's really about kind of the personal, the human side of investing and how we can really get in our own ways when it comes to making money investing. And so I just want to share this post with you, and then I'm going to kind of add my 2 cents at the end. So his post goes like this: to be a good investor, you need to make your peace with your anxieties. Be clear on your identity and not care about money so much that it prevents you from being rational. The forgotten classic, The Money Game, opens chapter 1 with, "This is a book about image and reality and identity and anxiety and money. If that doesn't scare you off, nothing will." The order, identity, anxiety, money, is not accidental. Investors mistakenly think that they are driven by money. Most investors are not. It starts with their identity and the need for validation. It is their fear that they will not get that validation through their stock market prowess and thus look foolish to themselves and others that leads to anxiety. Investors are anxious. About what? About looking incompetent to their clients, their boss, their friends, their social media followers, their spouse, but most of all, to themselves. This leads them to contemplate and frequently take actions that their own rational self would consider silly. And money, yes, that is important. But to many in the investment game, it is just a means of making themselves feel better and more powerful. So, you guys, there's so much in here that's just incredible that very few investors really dive into within themselves. What drives you as an investor? What drives me as an investor? Certainly it's money and financial freedom, but I'd be lying to you if I said that there's not ego in it, there's not wanting to look good, to feel validated, to have my sense of value elevated. So there's just a lot in here that resonated with me that I want to take some time to sit with and just understand myself better through these lenses of identity and anxiety in investing. And the behavior that I see a lot of, especially new investors making, reminds me of this kind of stuff. Kind of shooting for the moon type investing, betting on long shots, thinking, well, if just one of these 5 long shots pays off, I'm going to make a lot of money. That's kind of the mindset. And clearly to me, it's not just driven by money, because people who are truly driven by money, at least a rational approach to that, to doing well in investing in terms of growing your money, is to study those who have achieved that. That's a very rational approach. The emotional, kind of anxiety-driven approach is to be impatient and shoot for the stars. The impatience is key. To only bet on things where they're going to go from 0 to 100 or 0 to 1,000 in the next week. All right, betting on the long shots. So I think for any investor, just kind of sitting with yourself and thinking through the points in this post that Gary Michuras put out on LinkedIn, it's just really going to help you understand the factors that really play a role in your investment decisions, and whether or not those factors should be left in place, or whether they need to be stripped away in order to kind of achieve the money goals that you have for yourself. So anyway, I just wanted to share that, guys. Give Gary a follow, Gary Mashuras, if you are on LinkedIn, and me as well, of course, if you're not already following me on LinkedIn. LinkedIn it's an interesting platform. It's very early in the game. One guy I follow, Gary Vaynerchuk, he's like a social media, he's just brilliant in the social media space. And he's going big on LinkedIn right now. Basically for the last 6 months, he says, in terms of attention, in terms of the creators on LinkedIn versus the people consuming content on LinkedIn, the effort that you put in LinkedIn right now is going to reap so much more rewards than basically any other platform, with the exception of maybe TikTok. LinkedIn and TikTok are very hot right now in terms of attention arbitrage. But anyway, that's kind of getting more into the entrepreneurship side, where this video is mainly about investing. So that's all I wanted to share, guys. Smash that thumbs up button if you like videos like this that make you kind of think about what drives you as an investor. And please do hit that subscribe button. I've been making a video every day for something like, I think it's over 80 days now. We're approaching 3 months of making a video every day. So, if you appreciate the dedication and the consistency that takes, please hit that subscribe button. And of course, I'm going to be putting out a lot more valuable content on investing. So that's all I got, guys. I will leave you with that. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.